Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about how we can create ads on Meta Business Suite. We have to create the ads on the Meta Business Suite, so from that we can usually run ads from the Meta Business Suite. So for creating the ads on Meta Business Suite, once you will log in into the Meta Business Suite, how you will log in? Just go to Google. You have to Google and type the Meta Business Suite. Once you will type the Meta Business Suite, just have to click on this link. Once you will click on the link, the page will be appeared. Click on the get started. Once you will click on the get started, this kind of the info you will be see. This complete information we have discussed in the Meta Business Suite topic. In the Meta Business Suite chapter, you can access all the videos from there. So now we are going to discuss about the ads part. So from when you click on the ads, here after clicking on the ads, you can access the ads part of the Meta Business Suite. So let's have a quick review, how we from where ads review in the Meta Business Suite. So just we are going to the ads overview in the Meta Business Suite. So here you can see the definition: create, manage and track the performance of your ads across Facebook, Instagram in one place. So basically from the Meta Business Suite, in the ad section we can create the new ads, we can manage the ads, we can track the performance of ads that we have posted before and for both Facebook and Instagram at one place. So now the ad summary is there. In the ad summary you can just see that this particular account has been spent this amount on 9 ads in the last 60 days, and from that what we have gained 63,825 reach, and this is the post engagement. Post engagement will be number of the likes, number of the comments, number of the shares. So this can be this kind of the things, number of the message. Now the messaging conversation, if we have spent approx 4.27 for 200 something, 4,270 rupees we have spent, and on the behalf of that we have got 512 messages, 512 messages. So now here you will see the recent ads that we have published recently. Now the audience section will be reflected here. In the audience section we can categorize our audience on the basis of age and gender, placement, location. So on these three platform basis we can categorize our location. Now ad draft is there, that is ad is created but not published yet now. So the recommendation is there, whatever the ads is active and whatever the ads is publishes, so from that the recommendation will be reflected here that you can use and that you can analyze and use in the further campaigns. So if we see the audience part, you can see on the basis of the age and gender the audience is reflected 18 to 24. How basically this audience segment gave us some idea which type of the people is consuming more content our ads. Suppose you can see that here age and gender between 18 to 24, each consuming more than the other gender age group, So as you can see that in 18 to 24, woman is lesser than the man. So this is the 25 to 34, woman is lesser than the man. So basically this is just quick overview. From that we can identify which age group is getting more content, so we can target that age group in further campaigns, so the budget spending can be less and our particular ad campaign can be more stable. So now the placement option is there. In the placement option you can see that Instagram, on which platform our reels is showing. As you can see that here post engagement by the category, if our post is displaying on the reels, then we are getting more and more engagement. And Instagram feed, on the Instagram feed on mobile app, Instagram story on mobile devices. So on this platform we are getting more engagement, on this platform we are getting the less engagement. So in future we can skip this platform and we can try to focus on this platform. This is a great learning from our previous campaign that we can learn from the previous campaign. The location part is there. In this we can see that from the Maharashtra, from the Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, from these location we are getting more engagement. So we can target these areas separately for different campaign. You can see the all ads option here. In the all ads you can see that whatever the ads you have published here, all the ads will be reflected here. The ads name will be there, and the reach will be there, number of reach we got, number of the results we get, number of the conversation we have spent, we have started, and from this particular ad the amount spent will be there, like we have spent 90 rupees and we got 2 message, and we reach this particular ad to 152 people. So in this way we can see all the things, like in this particular campaign we have spent 1000 to 1215. In that we have started 86 conversion messages, and approx 5000 reaches comes. So once you will click on the view result, so the complete result will be reflected here for that particular campaign. So this is a quick overview, like how you can access the ads part in the Meta Business Suite, and what all the information is there in the Meta Business Suite. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.